Western Nzema Council man, about Mubadon and working. That be one as. Benjamin of the chair, 23rd of August, by exactly 1 year.
Hey, Mobile, I think 1 year.
Now, within the 1 year, the young Don was like last week, the council meeting. Now, and yeah, it's a comedy too. You're like a Don, you're too. This one is in the Kachika Mobile, Awulae Kwasi Amakyi III. Okwana yedu mfure bizi America na I think ngwa mu semunu ka muhorio because me bika mom na so akwa aba ne se so me aka na mom ba no wadu mfure usane mo trans buti ekuna ke ka ke do mu wonyi dede wadu ka abzera ezanga na yezeyera oha adwakako obizam question development in unity and unity in development, which one comes first? Development in unity and unity in development, which one comes first? Now come on, Bobola, Obizam Kemi, Dede Menzengre Beleti, and Mungra online. But I kept quiet. You did ye Namigazma while I Obizam K. Sure, still a Zengre. The question at the year or one. Na Mahake, I think unity in development is the one that comes first. Say, unity is key in everything that we do. So when you learn the Kenya, you won't cry the Piara yet. We are the mobile borella. Yamle Galene, Yamle Selene, and Yamle Sunsun Conconi. The mess of the Bonua, Yabahura, Boboli, we are the same thing. Since Mama Bahu be let's put unity ahead of us in everything that we do. Na mabobe awalgake mava ngrebe amke akeya mava debut square muara mava ma aseve cancer eka so cancer eka angwe ba angwe in unity. Then my effort the bimo mozu kware jibedibo miliwo erkebiala na maga so nka mba mazora, it will be useless. I think I'll be a happy man when I have been able, together with Nanamo and Awulae mo, ye lifted Nzema Maanle, ye could do erkebi mo akimo ayeba ake me ma no mo media mamo ba vamba go school ngba na mo me dabase na I'm looking forward to a very vibrant Nzema Maanle Council, a very vibrant Western Regional House of Chief, a very vibrant Western Nzema Council. Madabasi.